In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my live trading session from this morning. This is actually part 2 to me trading the New York Stock Exchange. And yeah, it was a clean buy setup. So stay tuned for the intro. We're going to hop on the charts and I'm going to show you guys. Let's go.
Yeah, this is where I wanna be. Live my life like a vacation every night. A movie.
You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true. You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true.
All right, so I want to hop back on here, see if I get another trade. I already got blessed by Nas today, but you see prices still climbing towards that higher time frame draw on liquidity. Beautiful buy setup. Once this liquidity got swept right here, boom, we have price breakup, come back down, leave a fair value gap, tap in right there, take off. Now price just swept this liquidity right here, so let's see what it wants to do. It's either going to look to fall back down here and take out all this liquidity, or it's going to keep pushing up towards that higher time frame drawn liquidity. So let's see. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to take a buy right here. Right here. Come on. Come on. I think I'm gonna take this buy right here. Let's see. Stop loss will have to go underneath here. If I were to take this buy, that's a hell of a move right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna enter it yet. I'm gonna wait to see what this next candle does and how this candle closes. It's looking like a buy right now, though. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm in this buy right now. Let's see what it does. See if it wants to draw to that higher time frame. That higher time frame key level up top. I already won one trade today. If price doesn't push past these highs, I would expect it to market structure shift to the downside, which it may do. So far, so good. If it breaks this wick here at break even, I'll be closing this trade and I'll be looking for sales. I'm not even gonna hold you. Oh, looks like we are pushing towards my higher time frame level. I took a scalp buy or excuse me, I took a scalp sell first, and that's the trade you're seeing here. Won that trade, got out just in time, and now you see price swept this liquidity here, and now it's starting to push up to this higher time frame, which I said at the beginning of the last video. It's a 4-hour level. It's a 4-hour fair value gap, this green line. So that's why I'm in this buy right now. I knew that if I took this sell that it would be short-lived, because the drawn liquidity was this 4-hour fair value gap. That's where it begins. So right now I'm in a trade. I'm risking 20 points to win 75. Let's see how it works out. I'm sure it's going to bounce back down, and I don't think it's going to just go straight up. It's going to bounce back down on its way up. So all right, so let me just break down this trade. This is live right now. This is no bar replay. I am in this trade. Okay, so the first trade I took, I won right here. A scalp sell, took profit once it swept this liquidity. Once it did sweep this liquidity, I look for buys. We're already in an uptrend, which on a higher time frame, it's a retracement level. And yeah, once it swept these lows, it came up and it broke this swing high right here. Once it broke that swing high, it came back, left a fair value gap right here. I could have entered there, but I caught the second leg that broke this swing high, came back, fair value gap entry. Risking 20 points to win 75 on NASDAQ. And right now we looking good. Let's see what we get. Let's see if price gonna run through my take profit level and go all the way to that 4-hour fair value gap. Let me just show you guys what it looks like, so you know I'm not just making up a level. All right, so check. This is our 4-hour chart. If you look left right here, you see this gap. That's where I'm expecting price to draw to. It's really, you know, like right here to right here, this area. So let's see what price does. I'm gonna be taking profit a little bit early, probably like around here. And let's go back to that 1 minute chart, because price looks like it's boosting. Great fucking trade. Let's go. And here we are, about to TP. Let's see how much I'm up right now. I'm up $2,200. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna post the results so y'all can see it. But yeah, TP smacked. Let's close the trade. Beautiful trade, beautiful execution. Again, let me break it down for y'all. First trade that happened, it was a sell. I knew before the market opened that there was this 4-hour level that I just showed you guys, a 4-hour fair value gap. So that was my draw on liquidity if price was going to be bullish. That's my narrative. Once price came down and swept this area of liquidity right here with this move, I started to look for buys. So we have a swing high right here. That's your market structure shift. Price goes up, comes back down to this fair value gap right here and this order block. I missed that entry, so I was patient. I saw price go up again, break this swing high here, come back to this fair value gap and this order block, these down candles before the push up. I entered there, put my stop loss underneath the order block, and the rest is history. TP smack. Drew right to that 4-hour fair value gap. Took my profit, and that was a $2,600 win. Great trade. You see these ICT concepts play out in real time. And yeah, I hope y'all was able to learn something from how I trade. I hope you guys was able to get some clarity from how I execute in the market on a day-to-day basis. That's all I really got for this video. To the next one, I'm out.